Do you set an intention before you meet someone for a coffee date? Hi, I'm Debbie Hoffman and welcome to Follow Up Friday. So what I hear from my clients all the time is when they meet with someone for coffee, the other person is trying to sell them their stuff and trying to get them to be a client. And it's very repelling to my clients and they get very annoyed by it. So here are a couple of recommendations of how you can avoid that and what intention to go to a coffee date with. So first of all, my recommendation is you go to a coffee date wanting to build relationship and to see if and how you can support each other, to become power partners or referral partners or JV partners, so you can refer people back and forth to each other. And if you go with that intention and you're just trying to educate the other person on what you offer, their guard will come down. They'll be more open to hearing what you have to say. And if they're interested in what you offer, they will naturally lean in and say, hey, I want to know more. Tell me more about what you offer. I could possibly use your product or services. So I really recommend that you go with that intention to become power partners, to build relationship. The other recommendation I have is to make sure you're clear when you're setting the appointment with the other person that it's not to sell each other. Let them know this meeting is for us to learn more about each other's businesses and see if and how we can support each other. That way that won't happen anymore. So it's really important to be intentional and to share your intention with the person you're meeting with. So please let me know how it goes. You can send me an email or post in Facebook about how this worked for you. My clients are loving this strategy. It's really working well, and they're building very deep, long-lasting relationships. So I'd like you to come over to my Power Up Your Follow-Up community on Facebook. In the community, every day we have a theme, and on Tuesdays you can actually promote your product or service. It's the one day a week you can promote. And then we share intention, we celebrate our wins, we share what we're grateful for. We'll be starting to have more Facebook Lives in there where you can come with your challenge of follow-up, and I will provide laser coaching. So please go over to Facebook, Power Up Your Follow-Up community, and I look forward to seeing you there. See you next week on Follow Up Friday. Bye for now.